So recently, my father asked me to buy him a tablet because his old computer is not working anymore, and he always wanted a tablet that can do many things for him. Then I checked many review units left in the warehouse of my full-time job. Then I saw the XIAOMI Pad 7 Pro and 7 Ultra, all with keyboard cases. I bought my father a Xiaomi 13 Pro 3 years ago, still working fine, so it makes sense to pick up the Xiaomi Pad also. Then I talked him into the Pad 7 Pro because it fits well in the hand and it is not that expensive. Okay, if you also think I did a good thing for my father, please subscribe to my channel and press the like button for me. Appreciate it. And if you want to buy any electronics from China, you can also send me an email at happy to help. Since this is a review unit, meaning it is actually a second-hand one, but in very good condition because it has only been used for a week or so during that review period. As you can see, the packaging is pretty standard. The tablet on top and the charger, the cable at the bottom. The keyboard case is a good accessory for it. The design is, very similar to Apple's Magic keyboard case. The build quality is very good though. The hinge is somewhat stiff, but not too much. The other hinge is also very sturdy yet smooth. When it unfolds, the tablet can stay snugly fit on it. The magnet is strong. Once the tablet is close to the keyboard, it attaches to it immediately, and there isn't any wobble when typing. Now, how about the typing experience of the keyboard? I think it is very good. It is similar to the Logitech MX Keys Mini, only the key travel is a bit shorter and it is softer. The dampening at the bottom is also good, so it does not feel like you are typing on a metal sheet. The trackpad is sort of fast, but not as good as the one on my MacBook, that's for sure. There are some gesture controls built into it, which makes using the tablet without the mouse possible. I always say if you buy a tablet, you must buy the case or keyboard case from the brand also. For many tablets from all those Chinese brands, the official accessories are always the best and not too expensive. The only downside of the keyboard case is that when it's bounded with the tablet, the whole unit is slightly heavy, certainly not that portable. So I picked up a lighter case from Xiaomi. This one is without the keyboard, rather there are more handy features. You see, it also uses a magnet to secure the tablet, and there's a magnetic latch to do the same thing. The most important thing is the folding mechanism. There are many forms it can fold into, so you can either use it to read docs, watch videos, or do some drawings. And it is significantly lighter. Taking it everywhere is a breeze. Lastly, I also put an official screen protector on the tablet. There's a mode to help with the work, so it is easy to do the task. In terms of hardware of the tablet, it is running the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, a mid-range chip from last year. It is certainly not the top one, but good enough for a tablet. Performance isn't an issue, I think. The screen is a 3.2K LCD screen. It is a slight pity that it is not using OLED. Some of the newer products like the Pad 8 Pro, 7S Pro are still using LCD screens. So the positioning of this product line is still not changed. We will see if we can see an OLED screen, but by then, the prices would definitely be higher. The battery capacity is 8850 mAh, which is actually a big one already. The charging brick is a 67 watt one, and the tablet supports 67 watt charging pretty well. It is running the HyperOS, which is smooth and feature-rich, but I haven't got time to really dive into the OS, maybe next time. So I have reviewed many tablets in my full-time job, mostly the ones from Chinese brands. They are all very good, and the accessories are also excellent. If you have a phone from the same brand, getting a tablet from them is the best choice. The Xiaomi Pad 7 is just so good in my opinion, especially when working with the Xiaomi phone. The experience should be the best. Okay, this is the unboxing and a quick review of the products. Hope it helps. If it does, please subscribe to my channel. Appreciate it. And if you want to buy any electronics product from China, you can shoot me an email. I'll help you. Peace.